इस ओवर के फेंके जाने के बाद अजीत चंदेलिया जो एक प्लेयर हैं और एक बुकी मन्नान, इनके बीच आपस में एक कन्वर्सेशन होता है कि भाई खुश हो गए सेठ जी ना? हाँ मैं बहुत खुश हूं। ठीक है बताओ क्या करना है? बोला सेशन खत्म हो जाए फिर बात करता हूं। सुना सामान अंकित के लिए? हाँ हाँ मैं उसके हाथ में सामान नहीं जाना चाहिए। ये अजीत चंदेलिया कह रहे हैं उसके हाथ में सामान नहीं जाना चाहिए, बात मेरे थ्रू हुई तो जो भी सामान जाएगा वो मेरे थ्रू जाएगा। ठीक है जैसा आप कहेंगे मैं वैसा ही करूंगा। ये बुकी ने कहा, मतलब जो सामान जाना था वो अजीत चंदेलिया के पास जाना था, उसके बाद अंकित के पास जाना था। इस तरह का कन्वर्सेशन हुआ। थैंक यू सर।
Our team was present in all these matches. One of the reasons why they were present was because those signals were given could have been given during the commercial breaks also. So to keep track, our people were watching the match. And last night, our team was camping in Mumbai, and soon after the match, a decision was taken. We gave the clearance to go ahead, and in the early hours, Srishant, Ajit Chandila, and Ankit Chavan were arrested, and so were the bookies from different parts of the country. Srishant was arrested on Carter Road in Mumbai. Ajit Chandila in front of Hotel Intercontinental. Ankit Chavan in Hotel Trident, Mumbai. Then Amit Kumar, he is a bookie from Gujarat, Ahmedabad. He was staying in room number 336 of Hotel Intercontinental, Mumbai. Then Manan, room number 336, Hotel Intercontinental, etc., etc. The details are given in the press release that you will be given after the press conference. Some of you may be wondering, how did it all start? It was an information that we had that the Mumbai underworld is indulging in match fixing or spot fixing, and they are contacting a number of bookies, and some players are mixed up. So we are keeping them under surveillance. The names of these three players came to light, and we waited for a situation in which all three of them could be pinned down. And it was only last night that Ankit Chavan, delivered on his promise, after which we made the arrest. There is a case we have registered under 420 and 120B, which is for conspiracy. Now I open the house for questions.
Sir, I'm from the Australian newspaper. My name is Amanda Hodge.
I will answer every question, but please have patience. Yes.
I'm from the Australian newspaper. There's been some talk today that Sean Tate, one of the Australian players who also plays for the Rajasthan Royals, is implicated in this spot-fixing scandal as well and may have been found with a large volume of money in his hotel room. Can you confirm whether that is the case, whether he is under investigation and whether he's likely to be arrested?
Are you an Australian? You would be happy to know that we have no such evidence, no such news. So Sean Tate, according to us, is not involved.
So who contacted these players? Initially, who contacted these players to get into spot fixing? Someone must have contacted them. Which bookie or someone representing the bookie? Who contacted any of these players?
See, this is not something which happens overnight. And this does not happen at the behest of one person or the handiwork of one man. it is done over a period of time. So we do not know who exactly started the whole thing. But I'll tell you by experience, because I was in the CBI when the match fixing inquiry was done. These people, the bookies, they spot talent, spot vulnerable people who can be compromised, and they work over a period of time. It doesn't happen just overnight. So the investigations that we have done, it is by sheer coincidence that only 3 players belonging to one team have come in our net, or shall we say on our radar. We cannot say that it is not happening in other teams, or it is not happening in other cities. It is not happening, it has not happened in earlier matches. We cannot say with any amount of certainty. But in this investigation, only these 3 names have come.
Sir, this is Panini Anand here from Outlook magazine. I just want to know that, yes, sir. Hello. I just want to know that you were tracing the communication details of these bookies and players. Did you find any evidence, any phone recording or communication between the team owners and the players or the bookies?
No, none whatsoever.
And sir, here sir, from your left, sir. Sir, do we have any, as of now, do we have any established connections between any of these bookies who are directly connected with Underworld? And sir, has Anti-Corruption Bureau of this BCCI informed you about this things happening and all that?
No. It is the other way around. We have informed the IPL management about what has happened.
And sir, the Underworld And sir, the Underworld thing, as of now, do we know any connections through these bookies?
Yes, we do know.
And
but I mean, surely you won't expect me to reveal those connections.
Excuse me, sir, Neeru Bhatia from The Week magazine. Just wanted to check whether the bookies which have been arrested or they have been under the scanner during these investigations are also ones who have already been under the scanner of various crime branch, either Bombay, Ahmedabad or Delhi. Any names, the big ones that you can share with us?
From memory, I don't recall that they had any past, associations, but they may be having. Maybe some police forces already know about them, but we didn't know. We came to know.
Sir, I have 2 questions. Is Srishant is the central point of all these dealings? And another one is Srishant family alleged that there is a conspiracy from Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Harbhajan Singh is involved in this. Is it right or not? These are the 2 questions.
It is totally wrong. Mahendra Singh Dhoni did not put the towel in his trousers.
Sir,
Neeraj,
sir,
can I ask a question?
Sir, Neeraj, this side.
उनको माइक दीजिए.
So, is Srishant the central point of all these dealings among these 3?
No.
Sir, this one guy Jiju who has been arrested, is an old friend of Srishant? Like I was told he has also played for Karnataka for some time. Sorry, Kerala for some time. Also, I want to know about the modus operandi. You said modus operandi was they were contacting over phones, but bookies, were they going to stadiums also? Like for every match, they were playing these players, Ankit, Ajit and Srishant.
Some of them were going, and we were keeping track, because you see, when we nabbed them, it was not as if that immediately we knew that this is the guy who is Biju, or this is the guy who is, Manan or so on. Having got to know the numbers, it was very painstaking work. We identified the person, because maybe they were using, aliases or pet names and so on and so forth. For instance, Biju is not his real name. His real name is Jiju. Jiju Janardhan. You know, he's a club level player and he has been playing for Ernakulam club. And it is the same club for which Srishant played. And he's a very close friend of Srishant. So he was a kind of a conduit between the bookies and Srishant.
Sir, Srishant ka, you didn't mention the money he got for throwing.
40 lakhs.
40 lakhs.
Sir, this side.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Sir, this side.
Sir.
You mentioned the underworld, sir. Who in the underworld, where are they based? And also, what are the stakes that this particular IPL season has attracted from bookies? Totally.
See, as far as underworld is concerned, it's a very loose term. The entire contours of the underworld connection I cannot reveal right now because investigations are going on. But suffice it to say that there are overseas connections and we have definite proof and evidence that the underworld is involved.
Sir, are other players also involved? Apart from these three who have been arrested, are there other players also involved in this?
I said some time back that our investigations do not show any other player.
Sir, will you question team management of Rajasthan Royals at some point of time because they would be aware of this?
See, our investigations do not show that the conspiracy goes beyond the players and the bookies.
So will you contact Enforcement Directorate? Because, see, it involves a lot of money, Hawala route, underworld, overseas transactions.
Well, we'll see how much money we are able to recover and if need be, we'll contact the Income Tax Department, we'll contact the DRI, we'll contact the enforcement as the case may be.
Sir,
is the investigation as of now over, or you are? It's still ongoing investigation, and there can be more arrests and more people whose involvement will come up.
There will be more arrests.
Sir. Okay, hold on. So,
We did not crack the BlackBerry message.
सर आपको मैं कुमार गजन आपको पूछे सर कितना पैसा मिला था अंकित चौहान के पास? चंदीला को दिया गया था, अंकित चौहान के पास से कितना पैसा मिला था? How much money was recovered?
They have arrived. We'll check up how much money has been recovered. Any news? They have just arrived in Delhi. So we'll have to check up how much has been recovered, how much is to be recovered. Whether our team could carry out the searches of their rooms and their personal belongings and so on.
सर आपको नहीं लगता कि ये अरेस्टिंग में बहुत जल्दीबाजी हुई है? अभी आईपीएल के काफी सारे मैच बचे हुए हैं और अगर और लोगों को भी ट्रैप किया जाता तो और भी बड़ी मछलियां इसमें फंस सकती थी. इतनी जल्दबाजी क्यों दिखाई इनको गिरफ्तार करने में?
मैं तो सोचा था आप पूछेंगे कि आपने पहले ही मैच के बाद क्यों नहीं गिरफ्तार कर लिया.
ट्रैपिंग तो चल ही रही थी ना.
उसकी वजह है कि ये काफी दिन से अप्रैल के महीने से हम लोग ये सारे सर्वेलेंस का काम कर रहे थे और हमें सिर्फ 3 ही प्लेयर्स की शमूलियत सामने नजर आई. तो हमने इन तीनों प्लेयर्स को गलतियां जो करने दी और इसीलिए कल का मैच फॉर्चुनेटली अंकित चौहान जिसके बारे में हमें मालूम था कि ये एक कॉम्प्रोमाइज प्लेयर है, हमने कल वाले मैच में वो खेला और उसने वो किया जो उसको करना था. तो उसके बाद हम लोगों ने सोचा कि अब तीनों के बारे में एविडेंस आ गया है, अब और कुछ आगे करने की जरूरत नहीं है और हम लोगों ने इसको अरेस्ट कर लिया.
So a follow-up question, if I may. You said that more arrests are expected. Can you rule out that there will be any foreign players, any Australian players arrested? Are any under investigation or suspicion? And if you say there are more arrests, will they be cricketers or bookies?
No, the further arrests are going to be those of bookies. No more players. And your countrymen can rest in peace.
Sir, I have a supplementary question.
You said Underworld, there were people from Underworld who were definitely involved into
Pardon me?
Underworld का जो connections की आप बात कर रहे हैं कि there are definite links. So, late Inspector Badris that was also involved in the investigation of this case.
सुनाई नहीं पड़ा.
Sir,
Badris that the late Inspector of Special Cell was also involved in its investigation. He is no more. He died under very tragic circumstances. Do you think the Underworld has got to do anything?
In his death?
Is there any connection?
No, certainly not.
sir, how many teams are involved in all this match fixing? Only Rajasthan Royal or some more teams?
Only Rajasthan Royals.
How many matches are fixed, sir? Only these 3
How many?
matches?
I told you 3 matches.
Only 3.
So there was a, so Shubhajit from CNN. So there was a reported meeting between the masterminds and one of the players in Gurgaon. Was any such meeting took place, and who's the mastermind in this total game, sir?
Mastermind is sitting abroad.
In Dubai?
That I won't tell you. No, Gurgaon, I mean, we have no such indication.
Hi, sir, this player from...
Hello, sir. क्या सर इनको पैसा मिल चुका था या नहीं मिला था?
वो अभी हमने वो हमारी टीम आई है अभी लेके, उनसे डिटेल में बात नहीं हो पाई कि किसको पहले पकड़ा, किसको दूसरी तरफ.
पैसा इनको मिल चुका था या अभी नहीं मिला था?
पैसा मिल चुका था दोस्त.
सर फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन किस तरह से होती थी? क्या ये कैश देते थे उनको, प्लेयर्स को, बुकीज, और क्या हवाला के थ्रू भी जाता था, इनके अकाउंट्स में जाता था पैसा? किस तरह से फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन ट्रेल एक बार थोड़ा सा समझा दीजिए हम.
Are you trying to suggest that they are being paid by check?
वही कैश में जाता था.
Cash.
Sir, hi sir, one supplementary question.
Sir, this side. Sir, are you ruling out the involvement of opponent teams in these matches? Because they could have played badly also, but they were prompt. In 3 balls, they scored 14 runs. So are you ruling out their involvement in this?
Whose?
Opponent teams, batsmen.
No. Batsman is ruled out. Batsman is ruled out because no connection between the bookies and the batsmen emerged at any stage of our surveillance.
So the cop who died of audio clippings which you have recovered?
Pardon me?
What is the duration of audio clippings which you have?
Yes, in the beginning he was. But as I have clarified, answering to Mr. Pramod Singh of Pioneer, his death has nothing to do with this case.
Sir, how many Srishant got in this deal?
No, Srishant delivered. No, but 13 was good enough for the bookies.
So how much money Srishant got in this?
You see, it is when the bookie puts his money and he bets, he keeps a cushion, because as somebody rightly pointed out, it depends upon a number of things. Maybe the batsman is not able to take full advantage of the loose ball, and so if it is 14, it could be 13, and as you've seen, Ankit Chavan gave 15. He had promised only 14.
Sir, did Srishant...
Yes, because it has also come to our notice that the bookies made crores in that deal.
Sir.
Unless you see, as an investigator, we cannot say anything unless there is a definite proof. So to say Dawood Ibrahim or to say Tiger Mehman or to say Mohammad Dosa or X, Y or Z, it would be incorrect. There is no evidence, concrete evidence on the basis of which I can name sure. And also let me clarify that the names that are used while talking are more often than not assumed names.
Sir, did the book, sir, did the bookies hand over money directly to Srishant? Sir, did the bookies hand over money directly to Srishant?
Sir, talking about Srishant, was Srishant responsible for learning these two players into spot fixing? Was he responsible for that? Because these two kids are